Hi everyone! In this video we will be making the Rosette smear cake. To start, fill and base ice the cake with vanilla buttercream. White or chocolate cake can be used on this design. Next, dot the sides of the cake with your colored buttercream. I'm using light pink and brilliant pink colors, dotting along in a random pattern. Give the cake a quick mist of water. This will help the colors smear smoothly onto the cake. Next, use a scraper to blend the pink icing onto the cake. If you don't have a small flexible scraper, no worries. A regular one will work just fine as long as you use a gentle touch. To finish off this cake, I'm adding a layered rosette border around the top. Start with making larger rosettes using a 1M tip in light pink, brilliant pink, and then white. After the larger rosettes are done, fill in gaps and layer on smaller rosettes and stars using the number 22 and number 32 tips. Now our rosette smear cake is complete. Thank you for watching.